Okay, so sometimes you'll notice that when you start your computer or restart it, OBS will reset your camera to default, your webcam. So right now it's not too bad. You can maybe see a little bit of frame issues here, but not bad. Even that's kind of bad there though when I get my hand close. But it's because of the focus and the exposure on the camera. It's not good by default. So what you'll want to do is you're going to want to go to your video capture device and configure video, and then where you if you go to camera control, you'll have focus and then you'll have exposure, and you want to unselect those or uncheck those. And then if you deactivate and reactivate, you're going to have a dark screen, but it fixes the frames. You can see that there's no frame issues anymore at all. Like it's 60 frames a second. And then if you go to configure video again, you can kind of tweak the gain and the shit that you need to tweak, because like for me, I have chroma key in the background, so you just tweak the gain. I turn white balance off normally and put that up a little bit because the exposure kind of messes it up. And then for me, since my green screen's not close enough, I can kind of fix that a little bit. It's still kind of janky, but then I zoom in a little. Now, it actually doesn't need tilted or panned at all, really. And then I will increase the sharpness. And then apply. And now your camera is operating at a smooth frame rate. And yeah, I mean, it's just much better. And it doesn't look any different than what it would. It's extremely better quality too. So there you have it. See you next time.